Knock, knock.
Who's there? Who?
I'm a brain. I'm trying to think. Hi, my name is Trevor Thacker, and I'm in 3rd grade. Over the last month, I've been collecting information on the brain. I wrote a presentation on the brain. Here's my presentation. The brain. The brain is the center of the nervous system in all vertebrate and most invertebrate animals. Only a few invertebrates, such as sponges, jellyfish, adult sea squirts, and starfish, do not have one. In the brain, there are roughly 100 billion neurons, each connected by synapses to several thousand other neurons. Neurons are tiny microscopic cells that flow throughout the brain. There are 4 different lobes in the brain. The frontal lobe. This lobe is where lots of your thinking takes place. It is used for planning, reasoning, figuring out people's thoughts, and hiding your own. The parietal lobe. This lobe processes information coming from senses, such as touch, taste, and pain. The temporal lobe. This lobe plays an important role in speech and in laying down long-term memories. The occipital lobe. This lobe is where information from your eyes is processed so that your brain can build an inner image of the world. The cerebellum. The cerebellum is tucked under the back of the 2 hemispheres. It coordinates your muscles so that they work in perfect time. The brain is connected to your spinal cord by the brainstem, which is right here on the back of your neck. This is why we cover the backs of our necks when you're in hunkered down position. Your brain controls your personality and thoughts. Whether you're sleeping, running, thinking, or working, your brain is up and running. Other people's brains work differently than your brain. There are 2 different lobes in. There are 2 different parts of your brain. 2 of them will fight. Their 2 lobes will fight to become dominant, and only one of them will. If your right brain is dominant, it means you will use creativity in the left side of your body. If the left side of your brain is dominant, it means you will use factual and logical thinking in the right side of your body. Use the test I will pass around at the end of my presentation to see which side of your brain is dominant. The left side of my brain is dominant, which means I use factual and logical thinking rather than creative thinking. Since your brain is soft and fragile, it needs something to protect it. What protects our brain